store wants to make a profit of at least $300 in sales of digital cameras and cell phones. Write and graph the inequality that represents how many digital cameras and cell phones they must sell. Identify and interpret two solutions.
Okay, so there's a lot to this one. So you have to make sure that you answer all of them. First of all, I want to define what does X represent, what does Y represent.
X is the digital camera.
X is
Y
the
is the cell phone.
digital camera. I'm just going to abbreviate. You're going to need that because it says to interpret, and Y is the
Cell phone.
cell phone. Okay? So, how do I write 100 profit on a digital camera X? Brock, how do you write that part?
Right!
Yeah, so when she was
Okay, Dalton, I am recording. Brock, how do I write $100 profit on the sale of each digital camera X? 100X, because it's 100 times each one, which would be X. Okay, I also make an additional profit when I sell cell phones. How do you write $50 of each cell phone? 50Y. Now, we have to make at least.
That's greater than or equal to 300.
Greater than or equal to 300, because if I made less than that, I wouldn't reach my goal, right? But I could equal 300, and that would at least be my minimum goal, right? Okay. Now, is Y by itself? Truman, are you writing this down?
Yeah.
No.
Maddie, what's the first thing I do to get Y by itself?
You would subtract 100.
Yep. And what would I do, Levi?
Divide by 50.
Good. Divide everything by 50. So, Lakeland, what would my Lake
You got it.
in? What is my final expression?
Negative 2x plus 6.
Good. 6. Alright, so now I graph this. So I graph 6. I do negative 2 down to 1, down to 1, down to 1. Okay? Solid or dotted line, Ryan?
Right!
It's a closed line. Okay. Now it has to be, do I shade above or below? Above. Okay, so I shade up here. Now, that's the first part of it. Then it says identify and interpret two solutions of the inequality.
Oh. You just
4 and 1.
So I picked 2 points, Bryce says. So
Going to
Bryce, give me 2 points.
9988.
Okay, so we have 9, 9, and what? 8, 8. Okay, so if I use 9, 9, I have to interpret those. So what does that mean? If I sell
9 cameras and 9 cell phones.
So $900.
9 cameras and 9 cell phones,
Can I just use 1, 1, and 2?
you'll make your goal, right?
No, you can't because it's not in the
Fine.
shade area.
Can I do like 04 and then
Hold on. 8, 8 would be 8 cameras and 8 cell phones. I would make my goal. Now, Truman said, what'd you say the first time?
oh no, I said 1, 1, and 2, 2, but then I realized that I wouldn't.
Okay, so if I used 1, 1, is that making my goal? No, I'd be short. Okay, if I use 2, 2, does that make my goal? Yes. Why?
Oh.
Because it's on the line.
It's on the line, and the line is solid. If it would have been a dashed line, would that work? No. Okay, but since it's a solid line, it would work. Any of the points, you could have used any of these. You just had to pick 2 of them and interpret them. Questions on that problem?
No,
Your homework is online.